Hello, my name is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make crepe. And the ingredients for today's video include 1 cup of flour, 300 ml milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and vanilla essence to taste. First, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients together, and for easy mixing and to prevent lumps, I'm going to be mixing using a blender. So first add all the wet ingredients and then the dry ingredients and blend until smooth. Once the batter is ready, ensure you refrigerate for at least 1 hour, and you can refrigerate for up to 2 days before frying. Refrigerating step is crucial. Do not miss it. By refrigerating the batter, you give the flour time to expand and you give the gluten a chance to relax. For those wondering the difference between a crepe and a pancake, well, pancake has a rising agent, mainly baking powder, while crepe batter does not, and crepes are usually thin and flat, while pancakes are thicker and more fluffy. Here I left my batter to rest overnight, and to fry all you need to do is grease your pan with some oil or some butter. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tux. On this channel, I upload yummy recipes, healthy drink recipe, career talk, travel vlogs, and some other lifestyle vlogs. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. Will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to leave a comment after trial. And that will be all for today's video. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.